Hello there, coffee people! Get ready because today we will teach you how to make an espresso and a latte using the Conti Ace. So for today's recipe, I'll be using 20 grams of coffee and 40 out of espresso. Again, make sure to dose your ideal gram of coffee. Use the WDT and distribution tool before we thump it accordingly. Clean the portafilter and flush the group head. Ready your weighing scale in your cup and start the extraction right away. The Conti Ace Espresso Machine is reliable and efficient for producing high-quality espresso consistently, with precise temperature control that ensures consistent extraction for my espresso every time. Now it's time to enjoy our espresso. Wow, it has a silky body, a high sweetness, and the right acidity. And now it's time to make a latte. Pull a shot of espresso and steam your milk properly. Don't forget to flash your steam wand before and after steaming. Give a top and swirl your pitcher and pour right away. For today's latte, I decided to pour a advanced latte art zebra. Thank you for joining us in the espresso brewing journey with the Conti Ace. Stay tuned for more coffee adventures.